Hey everyone, welcome back. I just told you guys about my parents passing. I started cleaning out the house, and my father was a tool hoarder, apparently a wire hoarder, and a whole bunch of stuff. So anyways, let me show you what I got going on. I worked all day yesterday at this. Turn the camera around. So I pulled all this yesterday out of the wires. I got this. I couldn't strip this. This was, look how tiny that is. But I got two 5-gallon buckets. I got a bunch of copper, some pipes here, and a lot of fittings and stuff. So let's go to the scrap yard, and my first day ever scrapping. Let's see how it turns out.
In 500 feet, turn right on Douglas Street.
All right, I just left the, and let me turn it around. I'll show you what I got. So I'll have to figure out how to read this. But anyways, look at that, 128 bucks. Pretty good for about 4 hours worth of work. All right, happy scrapping. Thanks to Mike the Scavenger. He got me to figure out what I needed to do. Just want to give him some props. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Hit that like button and subscribe. Bye now.